Today, let me show you how to make Gochujang Naan. It's basically a naan with a bit of Korean spice. Here are the list of ingredients you'll need. First, chop about 5 cloves of garlic. Then, in a mixing bowl, we'll add about 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oil, half the chopped garlic from earlier, and 2 or more tablespoons of gochujang. Basically, if you eat spicy, I would recommend adding more gochujang. Now we'll knead the dough until you can roll it into one piece. Use a bit of oil to keep the dough moist and cover for about 15 minutes. Okay, here's extra flour for dusting. So I made about 6 naans with this recipe, so break them up into 6 pieces. We didn't really have a rolling pin, so I tried using containers to roll out the dough. That didn't work, so I had to use a glass container. Poor man's rolling pin. Add cilantro and garlic and roll them into the dough. So you're going to repeat for the other 4 naans. As you can see, the gochujang does not evenly distribute because it's a paste, but it's okay, you'll get little bursts of flavor throughout the naan. On medium heat, you'll want to oil and pan fry these guys. Do the same with the other 4 naans. So it depends on you, but if you want to pan fry until it's lightly brown, that's what I did here for the first batch. And then with the other batches, I pan fried them longer, just so they would have a darker color and be a bit more crispier. So I guess while we're pan frying, I'll just let you know the inspiration that I got from this is just basically we have a little street or avenue in my city where it's a combination of Indian and Korean restaurants, but I've never seen a fusion, so I thought I would try it out. Ta-da! Put more cilantro on to garnish. Wow, check this out! Not bad for a random fusion food, right? Hopefully this might inspire other people to make some sort of fusion food. It's really whatever we have left in our fridge, right? Okay, so I didn't have any curry ready, so I used some olive oil, but hey, use anything you have in your fridge to dip, or that you made. If you try this out, let me know how it goes. From what I understand, I'm the only one who does weird stuff like this. Alright, bye now! Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for similar content.